In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear transmission mounts on this BMW 328i. These are going to be located underneath the vehicle near the transmission. Let's get into it. Using a 8mm socket, take these screws out. Grab the shield and take it down. Now, underneath the transmission, just taking a block of wood, and I'm just going to use a pole jack and just take a little tension off the mounts. Using a 13mm wrench, there's a nut on top here. Just want to loosen that up. We don't have to take it off completely, let's just loosen it. Alright, let's loosen that nut up a little bit. That's good. Then underneath, there's a nut. We're going to take that nut off. Using a 13mm socket. Take that nut off. And we're going to loosen the other side as well. Take that nut off. We're going to remove this bracket. Use a 13mm socket. Take these bolts out. And take that plate out, and just grab the mount. It slides right out. You can take the top nut off. You can see where there's a little pin that's going to line up with the slot. Take the new one, get the nut started. Line that up with the slot. Just put that on finger tight. You can do the same with the other one. And take the bracket and get it lined up in the mounts. If you need to, you can lower down the pole jack. Get that lined up. That's good. Get the bolt started. Now I'll tighten these down. And you can lower the pole jack. Take that block of wood out. And put the nuts on the mounts. Snug those down. Snug those down. And the top nut on the driver's side. Tighten that one down. Snug that down. And if you loosened that one, you want to tighten that one down as well. I'm going to take this cover, get this lined up. Get the screws started. And snug these down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.